morning, to kind of wake up my skin, instead of cleansing, I just used the Stop the Clock facial toner from Oh So Heavenly. And now I'm using the Stop the Clock facial serum. I love this because it's kind of like infused with argan oil. And then under my eyes, I'm going in with the anti-wrinkle eye cream. And then, not forgetting the SPF, I'm using the day cream from the same range. And then what I like to do is I like to take my Jade roller. I put this in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning I kind of roll this over my skincare. Kind of depuffs the skin. I kind of roll that on my eyes. For primer, I'm using the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. I really like the pearl iridescence that this gives. To match the primer, I'm using the Fresh and Fit Awake Foundation as well, just a little bit. I have the shade 40 Fresh Sun Beige. This foundation is a little bit too dark for me, but you can make it work if you just blend it down your neck a little bit. For my concealer, I'm using the Essence Camouflage Concealer. I want my freckles to peek through a little bit today, so I'm not going to go too heavy. For powder under my eyes, I'm just using the Essence 2-in-1. So it's a high coverage powder, so I'm just using it where I need it. And then for bronzer, I'm just using a darker foundation powder. Just applying a little bit. I like to follow the contours of my nose, just to give it kind of like a sun-kissed look, as well as my crease. Nothing focused or anything, just really pretty. I find that sometimes if you are a little bit messy and rough and natural with makeup, that's when you end up looking the prettiest. I go around my lips. A lot of you have been asking if I got lip fillers done, and I didn't. I just have a few tricks up my sleeve, so let me know if you want to see a video on that, how to make your lips look bigger without the filler. For blush, I'm using the Matte Touch Blush. This one is in the shade Very Neat. I cannot go a day without blush. It just brings color back into your life. And I go a little bit on my nose. For my brows, I've brushed them up, and I'm going to use the Essence Eyebrow Gel in brown. I don't like the blonde one. I don't think this comes, I think it does come in blonde. And I'm using a Essence liquid liner brush. So I'm doing very light strokes and just kind of like filling them in, not creating a brand new brow. One of my favorite products from Essence is the brow gel that they do. I love the clear one. This brownie one is just perfect because for like a natural day look, you can kind of just brush up your brows and they look so full. For highlighter, I'm using the Glow to Go. How pretty is this? And I'm kind of using the goldeny one. Oh, that's so pretty. Just with the tap of my finger. Ja, wieder Antrag. Before I do mascara, I do setting spray, and quite a bit of it. My current favorite is actually the HD Hydra, which is a coconut one, but this is the only one I have left, so I'm just going to use the Keep It Perfect. And then keeping it simple with a little bit of mascara. This one is the Volume Stylist. It's like a lash extension mascara. And I'll kind of focus that just on the outer part of my lashes. Excuse my lid, I always tend to smudge my mascara. In one of my previous videos, I showed you guys this trick, and I take that brown mascara and I pop that on my lower lashes, and then the little bit of mascara that I smudged, what I do is I just take a little brush and you kind of flick it away. And just flick it. My favorite lip combo has been this lip liner and a little gloss. I think this is called Undress My Lips. Let me come up closer and show you how I do it. And then I just take a little gloss. This is the Shine, Shine, Shine. Ooh, this one's a little bit too pink. But I've been liking like a sheer pink gloss. And that is my quick everyday makeup look using some Essence products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the links will be down below. My earrings and my necklace are from a brand called Lars Vivalius. It's a jewelry and watch brand from Stockholm, and my watch is from them as well, and I have this gorgeous cuff to pair it with. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and then I hope to see you next time. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I love you so much. Bye.